All right, let's get into talking about your cost and let's understanding your cost. This is the very first important thing that you got to know when growing microgreens. So you don't know how to cost your microgreens, you don't know what to sell them at. So we got to know how to cost your microgreens. Very important to know what your production cost is. Production cost is including your seeds, soil, trays, water, energy, labor, any other expenses that are in there. We don't include our overhead, but you can if you want to. It's very important to keep track of these. Andy, do you got anything else that you actually track? I don't think so, do you?
Yeah, not really. I mean, but it's just something that you have to know ahead of time because even for example, we added 100 extra trays to our rotation as of yesterday. So what does that mean cost-wise? I mean, what do I have to purchase? What do I have to make sure I have? It sounds like, oh, all I have to do is buy 100 more trays, right? No, because unfortunately you've got some stuff that's on the racks for 3 weeks.
Yep,
So there's 300 trays, potentially that we would actually end up having to get just to get started. So this is where knowing those kinds of things and be able to forecast your costs, can definitely come in handy.
for sure. Yeah, if you don't know that, it's hard to make orders and know what you're going to do. And then we've made that mistake in the beginning that we needed more trays than what we thought we needed, because you got to think about the turnover and how long that stuff's on the shelf and everything else. Like Andy said, yeah, it's huge. So calculating and monitoring product costs is huge. Want to go ahead and let you guys know. Go ahead and add this in. If you can make that a little larger there, Jess. We are giving this away for free to everybody. This is our microgreen pricing and calculating cost sheet. There's a link in this video that will give this away for free to everybody. All you got to do is go to this website, sign in, and it's going to give you this sheet for free. This is where you're going to end up right here, and it comes with a video. This is part of our course, but we made it a free lesson, so you all can get it for free now. You all get the video, everything else. So, because I want to make sure everybody knows how to price their microgreens correctly and can be profitable in this business, because without that, we're not going to make it. So, the video goes in detail, but it goes in all costs of your lights, your labor, your seed densities, your soil cost, all of that to come up with an average yield and everything else. So, and what your cost per ounce is on there. So, definitely check that out if you. But that's yours for free, so you know how to cost your microgreens. So, take advantage of that, because that's a lot of work done on that spreadsheet. So.